I'm a learned person here, please.
Government now.
No, don't interfere. You don't understand what
I just started recording.
if you want to help me individually, I will appreciate.
Okay, let's talk.
Do you understand where I'm going?
Let's go now.
Instead of coming group.
Yeah, this morning, I just met my handsome brother at Tinubu Square, and I was just drawn to him. I was fascinated with the way he was speaking. According to him, he said he read accountancy and he was married, but the wife left him and he became emotionally down. And right away, I want the Lagos state government to please come to his aid.
Madam, please put the word the head of the Lagos state.
Okay, I want the head of Lagos state to urgently come to his aid, because it can still be redeemed. Things can still be rectified. He's a very, very brilliant man. And you can see me, he's not violent, he's such a cool guy, handsome guy. He said he was born in Lagos, and I'm sure the parent might be watching us via this online.
Definitely.
Please. And his siblings, I'm sure he has siblings.
They are beautiful to be made.
So
there are people they are made.
Okay, and according to him, he says his siblings are made.
Yes,
so
beautiful that are made.
Can you imagine? So please, can you please come to his aid so that things can be done the right way? Okay. I know Lagos State government, especially the governor, Babajide Seun, is so passionate. He's so passionate about Lagosians, and I want him to please come to our rescue. Come to our rescue. You can see he's even talking. Good. We want him to come to rescue this situation.
Good, that's what I want.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My name is Fumi.
I'm
an advocate for women. I'm the founder of Women and Children with Disability Initiative.
Oh, cool.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure, madam.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody.
Up Chelsea, up Blues.
Five.
Thank you. Thank you. Am I
a meeting that we should meet here on Monday.
Okay.
So Lagos State government's representative can please come and meet us at Tinubu Square on Monday between 1 and 2 p.m.
Madam, we are missing one thing.
Okay, what is it?
We mentioned Tinubu Square.
Yes.
We mentioned CMS. We mentioned Marina. Where is it located now?
Lagos Island.
Good. Lagos
Island.
Under
Lagos State. Nigeria.
What is local government, please?
This is Lagos Island local government.
Lagos
Island local government. No.
This is Lagos Island.
Okay, this is Lagos Island local government. Good.
Okay, go ahead.
That's the right.
And I don't know, maybe some good-spirited Nigerians are watching this, because we cannot always leave everything for the government. Maybe you have been touched to come to his aid. He will always be here. He's always here reading the newspaper.
Individually,
you cannot always everybody, but you can always help somebody.
Thank you.
And I think you can help him.
Thank you.
See, let's also include this one. Defender, we won't mind if Defender can give his number so that this guy will come if there is anybody that is reaching out. Is that okay?
Well, are you the one selling the paper, sir?
If you're not buying it, anybody will reach out.
Vendor.
Please, we want you to be coming.
Oh, every morning. When is he come opening?
In the morning, every morning.
What time?
Anybody that take pay you?
8 a.m.
Oh my, what's it by you? My house operation, anybody pay. Do you understand? You will come to ask him if there's anybody call. If there's anybody call.
Okay.
Do
you understand? Okay, bless. I'll mark him. I'll mark this. This place is the best place, as they call it, square. I want square.
Tinubu Square. Just say Tinubu Square.
Tinubu Square, where things are done.
Where things are
gatherings are done.
Okay, come back.
Gatherings are done. Okay.
So what the best is that if we are posting this is not live now. If we are posting it, we are going to add Defender phone number so that anyone who want to reach out, they will call the vendor. So he will be the one coming to vendor to ask vendor, has anybody call? So I think that's fine.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
I think the first thing he needs now is rehabilitation.
Definitely.
What he needs now is rehabilitation.
Okay, what else now? Is it rehabilitation?
Let me
Madam, I'm a learned person, please. Is it rehabilitation in terms of drugs, orientation?
No. Housing, accommodation.
Oh, good. That's where I'm going to.
Yes.
We are all on the same page.
I'm also reaching out to the Lagos State Office of Persons with Disability to please come urgently. By the grace of God, I'm a stakeholder in that ministry. I'm begging the new general manager of Lagos State Office for Persons with Disability, Barrister Adenike, to please come to the aid of this my handsome brother.
Thank you.
Please, it's very, very urgent.
Are we good to go?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm trying to do something.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Off camera.
Yes, off camera.
I will definitely say it. Yeah, go ahead. CBN Barclay, please, I don't want more. You can listen. CBN Barclay to restore Naira to its real value, says Cardoso. Who is the Cardoso? Is it CBN governor? Yes. Okay, good. Now, you can take a look at it. Our value, our Naira has been devaluated for a long time. I don't know if you are aware. If you look at the currency market. Now, how can you take the Naira to be what?
Do you like to be on camera?
Don't worry. Let me just stand up. How can you take the Naira to come to its real value? What now? What's that word ring? To its normal existence. That Naira was will be appreciated. I don't know if you know what appreciated. Yes. That the Naira will go to what? Will be going up. In the money market or the currency market. How can you do that? When you know your Naira is not what? It's not appreciated at the main time where it's also be appreciated. If you look at it, when I knew it, the Naira is devaluated and it's going down. Yes. So it's going to take passing away. It's going to take a long time. Long time of those that in the hands of affairs will know the timing of that long time I'm talking about. Please, I don't know if you are getting me. I'm getting you. So I don't want that word ring. What's the meaning of that word ring? You can also need to explain to the world what that word ring. Yes. Is it that the Naira is going to appreciate for a long time or for a short time? A short time. That's what I want to know about that word ring. Please, I don't know if you're getting what's the word ring. So
the CBN governor should come and address Nigeria.
Thank you.
Tell Nigerians what exactly it means by saying appreciated.
Thank you. What's that word? Take. Don't misquote me. That word ring, I want to know. Ring. What is the meaning of that word ring in accounting terms? Because CPI has to do with what? You must be accountable. Yes. You must be prudent. Yes. I don't know if you understand it. And the treasury account must know how it goes through what? Yes. Through those that are in the of affairs. When I call it treasury account, federation account. Yes. I don't know if you understand me. I understand quite all right. So they must tell the whole world what that word real. That's my concern. Yeah. Am I understood? What's the word real value? What's that word real in terms of accounting terms? So I will understand better. So we are saying, know what's going on. We are saying to the CBN governor, Mr. Cardoso, kindly come online, live TV, tell Nigeria, address Nigeria what you mean by real appreciated of Naira. Let me correct that. Let me correct that note, please. Don't misquote me. I'm just basically about that word real value. Real value. I repeat, real value. Real value. Let me explain a bit because I read accounting. Good. I'm an accountant of Prince University Ekpaman 2010-2011 accounting session. Are you getting me? So I graduated from Prince University Edo State Ekpaman from the Department of Accounting 2010-2011 session. So I don't know if you are getting that what I'm going to. Of course. So you know I have an idea of what they are talking about. So I want the CBN governor, what's his name, whatever his name is, Cardoso or whatever, to tell the world what that word real entails. Is it that our Naira is appreciated, our Naira is devaluated? Okay, let it tell us basically that word real. I don't understand. Because as I know, as an accountant, you must be prudent. You must what? Be prudent. And you must show the world. You must be accountable. I don't know if I'm clear. Thank you so much. Very clear. Would you like to say your word to the people? Okay, about what? Is that on this note? Just tell us your name. Oh, it's nothing. I'm Emir Wanyo. Let me spell it. My surname is E-M-E-G-H-A. Emir. And what's the meaning of Emir? It stands what is good. I don't know what is good. If you are not good, what is good? The name is a very nice name. Now, to my own name, my maiden name, or say my name given to me by my parents, through Samson Iwogene and Ketrin Iwogene, they are popularly called Papa Karo, Mama Karo. We grew up in the barracks, in highway patrol barracks in Keja. So that's how they are popularly called. So this is their son. They are son of the soul, as they call it. So my name is Wanyo. And what's Wanyo? Wanyo means what? Just make it what? Make it prudent. Make it gently, right? But don't take my gentility for granted. Don't take my stupidity for granted. If not, you will put where you ought to be put. If you take my gentility for granted, you will see if you ought where your possession will be your possession. Let me put it that way. Don't take my gentility for granted. Why you'll be.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you, sir.
Would you like your face to show?
No, it's not.
Thank you.
No, it's what is no problem. It's nothing to me. Hope it's not going to affect me in any way.
No.
If you want my face to be shown, hope it's not going to affect me.
No, just to put it online because.
I don't want it online, please. Okay. If you want it on air, it's nothing.
Yes,
What's on air? On media house.
On media,
Yes.
social media,
But
yeah.
I don't want social media because it's coming gradually. From social media, wait, let me explain. I know myself.
Okay.
What you say on air, you say what? From the media house, it goes to social media. And well, social media is online. I don't know if you're getting me. We have various means of social media. Just as we have various means of media houses.
My dear brother,
All right,
you
ma.
that can be helped.
Okay,
You can be helped.
definitely.
You know, especially when people hear your stories.
Okay.
They'll be so interested
Okay.
in helping you. Like some of us are here now, we would have loved to help, but
definitely.
there is no way we can really do it.
Okay.
But if it comes on social media, maybe some people can be,
Please, you are misquoting me. I'm not saying I don't like social media. I love it. WhatsApp, Facebook, all this.
let me
Let
ask you a
me
question,
calm
sir.
down. It's one after go. I will answer you, answer me.
Thank you.
I don't say I don't like. I love it a lot, but I want it at a step at a time. I want it on media houses.
Okay.
Then at a time when I want it on social media, but not at the same time.
Okay, sir.
Am I clear?
Right. Yeah. Please, sir, what do you think that we can do to help now? Because some of us that gather here would have loved, we want to help.
As Nigerians, you love
As
most of
Nigeria.
yourself. If you don't love
I
yourself,
love
you
you.
cannot be united.
I love you.
As love goes, if you don't love yourself, how can you be united? How can peace stand? When there's no love, there's no unity. When there's no unity, there's no peace. So there must be
My
love.
dear brother,
And love, I don't share it. You must share now. Share it.
You
Share
see,
it.
it's because we love you.
Okay, I love
That's why we're
everybody.
so-
I love
you
Nigerians.
so much.
I love
It's
Nigerians.
because
I
we
love
love you.
females.
That's why we are patient.
All right.
That's why we are patient.
Okay.
We stand by you and
I'm
we are
patient.
talking.
Okay,
We are relating. We are communicating.
Yes. Where there's no communication, there's no information.
Exactly.
All right.
And we are communicating now, and we are getting some information that will love. I mean, to help you.
Okay.
You know, when some people listen to that information,
Okay.
they'll be willing
Okay.
to help.
Okay, what area you are talking about the help now? Let me know.
Okay,
Where you
now
are going
basically, would you like us to show your face, just your face
to.
alone?
All right, I'm friendly. We are all friendly. All
We
right.
are so handsome.
Thank you. You are beautiful also.
Okay.
Because we are all people to be made, right?
Okay.
Everybody are beautiful, but you are some. But when there's money, you peacify yourself.
So do you have phone number
Okay,
where
now,
people
for-
can reach you?
Okay.
Please, what do you normally say?
Oh, it's a step at a time. I will answer you, please.
Okay.
All right.
Let me just show you. Okay. Let me show your face
Okay,
now.
definitely.
What I want you
Please
to.
snap it on a cue, just gorgeous note.
Can I do
No
it too?
snap it. Please, there's a way you snap me, I will look like a suspect. But snap me on a gorgeous note.
No, that's what I'm
It's
saying.
different.
Your face. Your
But if you
face.
snap me on a suspect, I don't like it.
Okay. Okay.
Snap me on a gorgeous
Okay.
note.
Now.
Okay.
Okay.
How do
Now.
I pose it?
Now, sir.
Okay,
No.
I'm just-
You know. You just. Now. How do you think people can reach you?
Okay.
Where? Not how. Where do you
One
think?
after the other.
No. It's the same thing.
Okay.
Where and how.
Okay.
So it should come pari passu. It should come.
Okay,
together.
what's Paris person? We shall come equal, right?
Yeah.
All right. I love Vietnamese. It's part of my makeup. Paris person. Make sure we are equal.
Okay.
All right. Where are we now? Where is
Where
this
is-
place?
This is Tinubu Square,
I saw
Lagos.
I know. As I try and sit, I know. Because I've envisaged this place and since. And where is this place located? Tinubu Square on that way?
Lagos Island.
Okay, Lagos Island. Okay, where is CMS located?
Down there, just down the road.
Is
there.
it close by?
Yeah.
Is it to the
Close by,
left,
Not
to the
too
right?
far.
Not too
Left.
far.
CMS
straight here?
Straight left.
Okay.
That's why we have CMS.
Because I know of CMS majorly.
Yeah.
And, okay, where's Marina located?
Marina
Down
is,
there, down there.
back there.
That's
Yeah,
my bad.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
I know of this very well. I've researched of this 2006.
Yeah.
All right?
Now, please,
All right.
we want you to tell us
Okay, I'm listening.
where and how people can reach you. People that love to get in touch with you.
So can I respond to your question?
Yes.
As the saying goes, communication brings what? Awareness. Communication brings what? Information. And communication brings you closer to the people. So with communication you can get to anywhere you want to get to. With communication you can get to your person or get to your family. Am I clear? Now,
your family in Lagos?
land. And what I don't miss, can use to call get that communication through the social media or through your fan set. And if there's no answer, no social media, how can communication go? Am I clear? So now, I'm expecting your question here. On this note, I'm expecting your question.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Are your parents in Lagos?
Oh, thank you. As you know, as you can see me, I'm a Lagosian. I'm a Lagos Bobo.
Yeah, you speak like a Lagosian.
Definitely, I'm a Lagos Bobo. If I'm a Lagos Bobo, then my parents are Lagosians.
Where are they staying, please?
As last time I saw them, 2020, I'm a married man. Please, I will calm down, just calm down. I will take it as a go. So if you don't calm down, how can you understand me? I'm a married man. Don't look down on me.
No,
this woman, you are just too inquisitive. You are very inquisitive. Just take it down. Take it gently.
She's a journalist now, so she
as a journalist, you must be calm, so that the respondent must give a good response to a journalist. How can we understand ourselves when we are arguing? Don't be too inquisitive, please, and don't be too aggressive. Let's take it gently. Wayo. That's my name. All right. So
Such a beautiful name.
Oh, yeah. What's the name, please?
My name is Fumi.
Oh, beautiful name also. So like I'm saying, I'm a married man. At the interval, I saw my parents. 2020. Months after, when I saw my father, and I saw my mother later on. My wife has left me due to what? Financial issues. I'm just taking judgment that led to what? Litigation between both of us. I don't know if you are getting it.
Yes,
due to financial, as a home, she has not given birth due to womb issue that she has fibroid that we have been sieging on over time before she eventually left. I don't know if you are getting it. If you are a lady, you know what fibroid is. As when she had it. So she left me. Months later, things are very down and down as a man.
You became depressed.
I don't want to use that word depressed. Because if you use that word depressed, depression can lead to mental illness. I don't like to use that word depressed. But I would say, I felt emotionally down.
Because you were in love.
Thank you.
That's why love left you.
That's why emotionally down. But if you don't use that word depression, I don't like that word depression. So, hey, calm down. You see, everyone is on our personal need. You can say psychological, you can say depression, but I don't want it. I said I'm just emotionally down since he left me. So on that note, I saw my father on the transit. I don't know if you understand what I was transit. It's on the car, very good. And when you're walking and someone is driving him, how can I stop him? When it's on his express road, it's not done.
Yeah, daddy was driving.
Someone is driving him. Not if he's the one who can press the brake and the touch or whatever can stop. But it's someone that is driving him. So how can I stop? It's on emotion. I don't know if you understand. It's on emotion on the road. How can I stop him on that way? So it just went out. I can test you. To be frank and sincere, we both glanced at it. Sorry. We both glanced at
Don't worry.
Very well. We glanced at what? But no spoken words. Thank you. But we smiled and I looked at him. I don't know if you understand. So because of if there's more trekking and walking, so I have no excuse not to talk to my father. What's the meaning of that? How can I see my father and ignore? When I know he's walking and if you don't drive himself, you can see press the brake when he sees his son.
How to locate him. Because if you say he should come back here, maybe tomorrow he might not come.
Yes.
We need to see you. Okay. We need to find where are you heading to now?
But that's why I asked you. I know the location very well, but I'm not sure. So he said this place is CMS. This place is Marina Square. Marina. Those are the three places
Where do you normally sleep?
Oh, like I will be sincere with you. Anywhere I see conducive, I pass the night. That's what I will use. Anywhere I see routine that has a roof, anyway, I pass the night.
Supposing we have any NGO around now, be able to.
Hey, I don't like that word NGO. Is there no way you can help me without NGO?
No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that.
He's a fine guy. There's nothing wrong with him.
It doesn't work like that.
How can you have an help to me?
Saying,
money. If you have money is good though.
See,
listen. I don't want non-governmental organization. I don't want it.
You said you don't want.
I don't want NGO. Please don't mention that word.
Okay. Now, do you know what I think or I feel you need now? You need to have somebody which you need to report to, like on daily basis. Yes, sir. I don't know.
I'm not just myself. I'm just confused right now. I don't know what we can do right now. I'm just thinking of what we can do right now.
Can we schedule an appointment to meet here?
You always always come to read here.
Okay, this is Tinubu Square.
Yes.
Oh, when it depends on your time schedule and my
Monday will be fine now.
Yeah.
What's today?
Today is
Thursday. Okay, I will see if I'm still with you because any other location outside this, if there's none, I will see if I have my choice. If I have a choice.
what we will appreciate you doing is to walk around that Monday. Just make it work. If you know, you can't suggest any other location. We are meeting here for the first time. Let's meet again on
Please,
Monday.
Can you make it possible? Can we make it 1, 2?
Between that 1 to 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Not exceeding 1 to 2 p.m.
Yes.
Well, what's the place? I would like to have an idea. What is the majorly of place?
Just to meet you and provide assistance for you, because nobody planned this.
Oh, I understand. Yeah, because there must be pressure before anything must be done. Because money has started things. Plan for it. All right, I'll be patient for that, but it must not exceed Monday.
Monday.
Yeah, exceed Monday. What will happen?
Nothing. It won't. Like
How can I know you people? From if you calm down. You just you are interrogating me.
I've told you my name.
But yeah, you said.
So if you see me now, you say no.
Bumi. Is that Bumi?
I said Bumi.
Okay, what's the name, please?
My name is Dimeji.
Dimeji. So, how can I do it when there's no communication?
Do you have pen? Do you have pen? Do you have
Even if
pen?
you have pen, where will
The
we
pen I
go?
have marker.
I'll give him number. If you think you can call, yes, I'll give you number to
Where
call.
will he get
Where are
it?
you working? Please, I need your ID card. You have been interrogating me. I kept quiet.
I'm an independent journalist.
You need to prove of evidence. You are just how can I know where you're taking my picture to?
See, listen.
I
I've
don't want
not.
to snap. You say I'm not friendly.
Listen.
Normally, I'm expecting you to prove.
I'm
Show
an
me your ID
advocate
card.
for women.
No, whatever you have, whatever you are in society, an ID card is very necessary. It's a proof of evidence of who you are. I would have interrogated, I would have told you who I am by a security personnel and
Madam.
arrest you both for what? Impersonation. You don't know who I am. Don't look down people. Two of you also bring your ID card. Say, okay, this I'm a whatever in the media, this is my ID card. I will give you a go ahead. But as we are in Nigerians, when you approach me, I'm happy. When you have come now, first I would have
Okay, now on that note, I will appreciate you.
Okay.
Join me and madam in accompanied by her to where my ID card is, so I can show you.
It's not done that way, please. I'm in Nigeria, I grew up here. You don't do that way. I'm a security person.
We can't
I'm a security personnel. Going to an armed forces personnel. If you want me to go that way, but I will not go there. I don't want to show myself. But I want you to bring your ID card. I will be patient. Because the way you are taking this to, I'm not like it.
Okay.
You are just
Okay. Do you want me to stop recording now?
Oh, if you want it, because that I want. Okay, where is this thing?
Me, I
where
want.
Where are you going to burn it? Where are you going to record it? Where are you going to
Now, this thing, for me recording this with your permission, I want Lagos State government.
Okay, use the word government.
Yes.
That's who is the head of that government.
See,
Let calm down. Before you say Lagos State government, there must be a head.
His
Who is that?
Excellency,
Oh,
yes, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu.
my pleasure.
Governor wants to participate in helping people.
No, don't use our people because I'm not an offer, please. I'm a graduate, I'm a learner. Hey. I don't want to use the word person. That's an individual.
Person.
I'm a graduate, don't use our people. When you say people are saying crowd, you want me to be begging? I don't like that word.
No. Okay, sorry, I withdraw my statement. So now, my brother, basically, let's schedule the appointment for
Monday.
1 and 2 o'clock tomorrow.
Who's coming with you?
On Monday.
Just the two of you.
You may invite more people.
I heard he said his excellency. Babajide Sanwo-Olu.
Yes.
We might try.
You know, it's not easy to get governor.
Please, if you come to crowd, I will run away. I'm not
No.
a beggar. I am accounting. Why can you become? Please, as an individual, it's my pleasure to meet you. Please, don't come with crowd. I'm not a beggar.
No.
Am I a beggar? I heard him say persons. Persons is a plural form. Many a group. Instead of person, he has made a mistake.
Okay, sorry. I withdraw my.
Withdraw it, please.
I withdraw it immediately.
And make sure you will edit that.
Definitely, I withdraw my statement with immediate effect.
Good. If not, you'll be persecuted.
My sincere apologies to you.
Get her. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you accept
Very
them.
fine. I'm a personal Chelsea.
Oh.
I'm Chelsea.
Up Chelsea, up Blues.
Up Chelsea, up
Blues,
blue.
up Blues. please, before you go, please. I'm very skeptical.
Okay, I think we have had a good conversation so far.
Definitely.
I think I want everybody here to say, if you love what we are doing right here, say aye.
And if you hate what we are doing, say nay.
The eye have it.
Definitely. No, you eat it now.
Record you, okay. Madam, you like to say something?
Yes. What's the time now? This morning I was on my way to Lagos. I wanted to go and get some stuff. And I met this
No, definitely. It's not.
This morning I met this my brother at Tinubu Square. And I'm so fascinated with the way he was talking. I employed a good-spirited Nigeria to please come to his aid, especially Lagos State. He urgently needs help.